like flowers.
Shout it out, let the people sing. Something so powerful should shake the whole wide world. Make it louder still. Savior, we're singing now to celebrate your beautiful news.
The noise is essentially about using acts and deeds of service to communicate the good news of Jesus. It's about getting out into the community and showing God's love in practical ways. And it's also about taking God's love into the community in a non-pushy or threatening way, rather than waiting for community to come to our churches. And it's also lots of fun, even if it rains.
Show the world His amazing grace. Did you know there's a God who came down to save, and He calls your name. Shout it out, let the people sing. Something so powerful should shake the whole wide world.